In the latest address to the nation, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced that India will soon begin the administration of the world's first nasal DNA vaccine against COVID-19.
हमारे देश में जल्दी ही नेजल वैक्सीन और दुनिया की पहली डीएनए वैक्सीन भी शुरू होगी।
The first DNA plasmid COVID-19 vaccine in the world for humans is developed by Gujarat-based Zydus Cadila. The plasmid vaccine, named ZyCoV-D, has been approved by the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization for emergency use for children aged 12 to 18. The Phase 3 clinical trials were conducted on over 28,000 volunteers in more than 50 clinical sites across the country during the peak of the second wave of COVID-19. The vaccine, which is also called plasmid DNA, consists of genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 proteins, which helps human cells to make the SARS-CoV-2 antigen, eliciting an immune response. ZyCoV-D is a needle-free 3-dose vaccine that is to be administered 28 days apart. Unlike the traditional syringes used for administering Covishield and Covaxin, the plasmid vaccine will be administered using an applicator called PharmaJet. The PharmaJet is a needle-free applicator to ensure painless vaccine delivery between the layers of the skin. This will also lead to a significant reduction in any kind of major side effects. The firm said, ZyCoV-D has shown good stability at temperatures of around 25 degrees for at least 3 months. A single dose of this vaccine will be made available to the center at Rs 376, which includes the cost of the jet applicator and GST, taking the price of the 3-dose jab to Rs 1,128. The vaccine maker is also in the process of evaluating a 2-dose regimen using 3 mg per dose. Apart from Zydus Cadila, Bharat Biotech is also developing a BBV154 nasal vaccine for children in collaboration with the Washington University School of Medicine. Serum Institute of India is also testing the efficacy of the intranasal COVID vaccine in collaboration with a New York-based vaccine maker, Codagenix. The Prime Minister also announced that COVID-19 vaccination for 15 to 18 years of children will start from January 3.
15 साल से 18 साल की आयु के बीच के जो बच्चे हैं, अब उनके लिए देश में वैक्सीनेशन प्रारंभ होगा। 2022 में 3 जनवरी को सोमवार के दिन से इसकी शुरुआत की जाएगी।
He added that the booster dose of the COVID-19 vaccine will be given to the frontline and healthcare workers from January 10.
सरकार ने निर्णय लिया है कि हेल्थ केयर और फ्रंटलाइन वर्कर्स को वैक्सीन की प्रिकॉशन डोज भी प्रारंभ की जाए। इसकी शुरुआत 2022 में 10 जनवरी सोमवार के दिन से की जाएगी।
Those above 60 years of age and with comorbidities can also avail of the precaution dose of COVID-19 vaccine on doctor's advice.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.